Now, let me show you how you can auto respond to text messages on your iPhone. Well, the best way to do it on the iPhone by far is using the focus modes. So when you go to the settings and scroll through the options, you should be able to find focus section. And in here, you have different types. Some of them are for different purposes, but for the auto response, the best one is to actually use the driving mode. So when you click on driving like this, you can see that it might be set up in a different way, whatever, but there is the auto reply option. And you can decide what the message is going to be, which will be automatically sent as a reply to incoming phone calls. And you can also decide which people it applies to. For example, it might be only your favorite contacts or recents, right? Or all of them. So I like to have it set to all of them, and the message will be that I can't talk right now, talk to you later. And then now, whenever I want to be in that mode, I can just go to my control center, click on the focus, and enable driving mode, which should be somewhere in here. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And then now, whenever I receive a call inside of this mode, I will not hear it, and the person will get a message which I set up previously as I showed you. So this is, I believe, the best and easiest way to set up the auto reply for messages. Let me know if it worked for you. Subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next uploads.